Hello and a very good evening, I guess, to everyone who is watching this video. I will be representing my group mate. My name is Haizan, and I also represent my group mate, which is Nasrul and Fatiha. They are not here. So today I want to talk about, or I want to present about my simple network automation project, which is about monitoring the device, which device is connected to our router. So, have you ever wondered what kind of device or what kind of router that connected to your router? And I guess it is hard for us to monitor it if we didn't have any script or didn't have any application to know that which device is directly connected to it. So for this one, I will be presenting. The first one is about the network topology. So I created this simple network topology, which is the first one is the NAT one, which is my PC basically, and it is connected through NAT0, and it will be connected to first router, which is R1, on the fast Ethernet 00. And the R1 also is connected to two other router, which is R2 and R3, which is respectively they are connected to F0 and F01 and F10. Okay. So I will show the source code first, and after this I will tell how the code is running. Okay, wait. Terminal. I don't know why it becomes suddenly lag. Okay. So I've created the source code. So I want all of you to see it first. So nano test.py. So this is my source code. I use Netmiko to make it connected with SSH. So the first statement is I import the Netmiko and import the connect handler. Okay, the second sentence is which is the host and the input, which is the user will be input their host name or their IP address, and the next one is username. They will put their username of SSH and also the password. Okay, let me demo the the code. Okay, first one is Python 3 test.py. So for this case, I forgot about the IP address, so I will do the show IP interface brief here. Okay, yeah. SHIPINT brief. So for this one, as you can see from the network topology, it is connected directly to F00. So for this case, I will choose the IP address of F00, which is okay, 192.168.122.232. Okay, the username, I key in the admin, the password also admin. Okay, after several seconds, it will show which device is connected to the router. Okay, as you can see, there is router 2 connected from fast Ethernet 10, and also the R3 is connected to local interface fast Ethernet 01. Okay, so there is a simple project of mine and my group. So I hope for this explanation you can get something that is beneficial for your future, and maybe you can implement it in your next project, and also maybe you can make it as your reference. Okay, I guess this video is getting to an end, so thank you everyone who is watching, and bye.